Welcome to Yoga with Dogs. Here I am, getting ready, taking off my slippers, and attempting to do a little yoga with Maybelline and Carolina. I am very sore in my hips, my hamstrings. I have a strange pain in the back of my left kneecap. So I figured today would be great for hamstrings, hips, thighs, and as always, I like to try to do a few flexibility exercises. Here, I'm trying to get ready to really do some good deep stretches with hamstrings. Getting my hips ready. It's a little hard with my Carolina puppy, but slowly increasing a stretch in the back of the leg in my hamstrings is exactly what I'm trying to go for today, if my puppy will let me. I like to make sure I do a lot of ankle strengthening by rotating, pointing, flexing, and try not to push it too much because I don't want to hurt myself. I'm an old lady. I have to be careful. Well, somebody is in need of a little alone time in her kennel. Just a little too rowdy for me at this time. Bye, Carolina. Ready to ground your hip bones to the earth. Make sure the planted foot that has your ankle close to your buns is strong and in there tight. Push your hip socket down into itself so that you really do open up that hip. Some of the times when you have pain in your hamstrings, position your form to get it correct so that those hips open up. Just go ahead and do it. I have to do it all the time. I keep having to check the integrity of the pose because I tend to go into habitual ways of moving my body instead of trying to do what's truly the best to open up my hips and my legs. Kind of feel like it's back in the old days in dance class as a kid. This is a wonderful way to not only increase your flexibility, but to get used to balancing yourself. Look, there I fell. Sometimes I have to take a stretch break. Try to get at this again. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! Now look, I am leaning backwards. That's not good. You have to check the integrity and get yourself to be balanced on your hip bone, and you stack your elbow and your shoulder correctly. Pull in your belly button. Use your core to stabilize yourself. And much better. Gotta meditate a bit, figure this out. Stack my arm. Whoop, get it right. Make sure I don't put too much weight on my shoulder. Yep. Hello, ballet, 5th grade. I remember doing this in warm-ups as a kid. Now my hips still are not stacked the right way. I feel like they could be opened up a lot more if I could turn out my leg that's on the ground. But maybe I'll just get better as time goes. Whoop, there I fell. I think a lot of stability coming from the core would help that out if I strengthen my core a little bit better. Deep stretch before I call it a day. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.